The Supreme Court today cancelled 214 of the 218 coal blocks allocated by successive governments since 1993. The apex court's move not only comes as a huge embarrassment for the UPA regime, but also is a body blow for those corporates in power, cement and the steel sector who are dependent on these plants to run their operations.
In a blow that has shaken India's corporate sector, a month after it held them illegal, the Supreme Court on Wednesday cancelled 214 of 218 coal blocks allocated by successive governments since 1993. Companies awarded coal blocks now have 6 months to wind up their operations. The government can begin allocating all cancelled blocks from March 2015. Only 4 blocks run by central government agencies have been spared the axe.
Court has cancelled all allocations except 4. So 4 remain out of 218. The 2 which have been saved by the Supreme Court is 1 belonging to NTPC and 1 belonging to SAIL.
The cancellation isn't the only blow to companies that were allotted coal blocks. They will now have to brace for potentially massive penalties.
Those who are extracting coal will be allowed to continue for another 6 months. They will have to pay 295 rupees a ton to the government for every ton of coal extracted, as will also those who had earlier extracted.
The 4-point impact of the verdict begins with the possibility that companies that had taken loans against licenses might turn into non-performing assets. India's already huge coal imports are likely to rise further. Since the production of electricity on imported coal is costly, it would mean higher power tariffs. And finally, the financial impact estimated at a staggering 2.25 lakh crore rupees. The allocation had been at the centre of the Coalgate scandal, which former National Auditor Vinod Rai estimated in a 2012 audit report to have cost India a massive 1.86 lakh crore rupees. Today's verdict has expectedly sparked a political "I told you so." The Congress faced huge embarrassment during UPA2 with investigations implicating the office of Prime Minister Manmohan Singh himself.
Is this the clean slate that the Modi government was perhaps looking for to kickstart the long-term economic revival plan? Or is it the crushing blow at a time when energizing the industry is a priority for India's global rise? Amidst the debris resulting from today's decision, one thing is clear, that the true impact will depend on the blueprint that the government will work on in the next few months. With Ashish Mehershi and camera person Janendra Sharma in New Delhi, Jaskirat Singh Bawa for Headlines Today.